Hey guys, listen up. I decided I would jump on here because the same topic keeps coming up in my health and wellness accountability group, The Best You. I keep hearing the same comment. People keep saying, I wish I would have known this years and years ago. Why hasn't someone told me this already? It's so simple. And it just makes me want to get on a soapbox. It just makes me want to get on a rant because they're right. No one tells us how simple it really is. You know, they want to sell us a program, or they want to sell us foods or supplements, or they want to give you points that you use, and they want to kind of run circles around the basic principle, yet they don't ever really get to the root of the basic principle. And that is learning exactly what it is that your body needs. And every single person has different needs. And then as far as weight loss goes, those are nutritional needs. But as far as weight loss goes, that is not going to happen unless you starve yourself. But you already know, if you've yo-yo dieted yourself to death, you already know that as soon as you quit eating that way, as soon as you quit starving yourself, you're going to gain it right back, plus more. But if you could actually learn about nutrition and about what your body actually needs, and you feed yourself in that way, the weight just comes off. And let me tell you another reason why. And we tell them this before they get started, but they don't really believe it until it's actually happening to them. We get to the root of why you're eating. A lot of people are overeaters and don't know why. They have triggers. They have food triggers, or they're eating to suppress emotions, or they're eating to feel better, or they're eating to cope. And they don't even know that. They don't even realize that until they're in this program. And then as they learn about what their body's needs are, and they learn how to feed themselves, they end up feeding their souls, basically, and their spirits sort of start to emerge, and you start to peel away the layers of the past, and you start to undo all the things that you've done or someone else has done, or what you've allowed to be done. Or it's just this huge healing process. It's not just about healing your gut. It's about healing yourself, healing you from the inside out. And it is so simple. There is nothing else besides just information, education, knowledge, support, accountability. That's it. Commitment. That's a big one. But that's all. That's all I have to tell you. It's so simple. And I'm here telling you right now so that you can't ever say, why didn't someone tell me that it was this simple? Because I'm here to tell you it's this simple. And if you want to find out more, just let me know. You can message me, The Best You. We will be opening the door soon for new members.